Okay guys, so today I will be showing you different types on how you make a string, okay, on your bikinis or dresses or something like that. Okay, so we are going to start with the slip knot. Okay, and we are going to chain. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Maybe 15 will be okay. Okay, so with this chain, okay, we are going to do single crochet, okay, and making a cord out of single crochet, chain and single crochet. Okay, so this is a single crochet, so we are just going to skip one. So this one is our chain where we have our loops, okay, and our hook. So we skip that. We are going to jump into the next one, okay, and do a single crochet. Okay, then the next single crochet, the next single crochet. Okay, so just continue that. But of course, when you're doing your string, okay, it's longer than this, okay, but this is just showing you different types of strings. Okay, so this is one of it. Okay, so we're going to the end. Okay, so we are done. Now I'm going to show you that is our string, okay, using the chain and the single crochet. Okay, so that is one. Then I'm going to grab my different yarn. Just give me a second. Sorry guys. Okay, then I am going to use this pink yarn. And I am going to make slip knot. Okay, then we're going to chain 2. After that, we are going to insert our hook into the first chain and do a single crochet, and then single crochet, and we are going to insert our hook into our single crochet just on the top loop, okay, and pull that and then make a single crochet, okay, and then chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1 until you have your string that you wanted. Okay, so just continue that. Okay, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, then single crochet, chain 1, then single crochet, chain 1, then single crochet. Okay, so that is the second one. Okay, so that is very cute. Okay, so we have 1 this one, okay, it curves, stay, okay, and this one. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching. Not really, we still have different ideas, okay. Maybe I'll have to make 3 for this tutorial, and with the next one it's not coming up. Okay, sorry guys, it's not ready, so I can just show you different color. Okay, so I'm not like, you know, I think I can cut them off, but okay. So the next one, so we'll just do that and then put it over there, and then that is our 2. Okay, and then we're going to start from slip knot. Okay, and then chain 3, then slip stitch, not slip stitch, single crochet into the first chain, single crochet, okay, chain 2, and then go back in the single crochet, and then insert and single crochet, chain 2, insert in the single crochet, just the front loop, and then single crochet. Okay, so this is, okay, remember this one is chain 1 and then single crochet. Okay, so this one is chain 3 and then single crochet in the first. Okay, chain 2, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 2, and then single crochet, chain 2 and single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. This is really cute as well. Chain 2, single crochet. Very simple, you know, you can go how long you want, and you know, it's just like you don't have to come back. Okay, so as you can see, I know it's dark, okay, this is more visible, this 2 here is more visible than this one here. Okay, so but we have no choice. Okay, so as you can see, this is a little bit bigger. Oops, this is a little bit bigger, okay, than the other one, because this one is chain 2. Okay, this one is chain 1. Okay guys, so that is the basic, okay, the basic of the chains. Okay, so if you like this video guys, please leave a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell, okay, so you get notified every time I will upload an exciting video that you might like. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.